Morning, everybody. Top Breeze here. I know it's been a minute, but I'm coming to you from Oku, Okinawa, in northern Okinawa, Japan. Before I go ahead and kick the video, I just want to go ahead and say, hey, shout out to everybody that's going through what they're going through as far as COVID-19, the coronavirus. Make sure you stay safe, take care of each other, stay clean, and then go ahead and adhere to what the policies that's being provided by the government. I know it's inconvenience on our lifestyle, but hey, if we go ahead and follow these rules, we can get through all of this together. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna kick the video. So again, we're here at Oku. The plan is to break through these channels over here where you can see the breakers and meet up with the rest of the Yakinao crew. So until then, I'll catch you guys a little bit later. So we're out here roughly in about 285 feet of water. My target goal is to make it over there. I don't know if you can see him or not. That's one of the Yakinao members, so I'm trying to get up there to where they are so I can drop down. My target species today is just whatever is dwelling at the bottom. But just one reminder that if you're in Okinawa and you're out here in Oku, one thing that you want to keep an eye out for is sharks. There's a lot that can be in this area at times. It's the reason why I brought my gaff with me this time, just in case. But I'll update you guys once I get to my targeted spot. Talk to you in 1 sec. So, make sure you guys can see. I'm going with my SHIMANO Tranx 400 HG. That was sent to me by, shout out to my boy Terrence who hooked it up for me. Go ahead and drop out. Right now we're at about 320 feet of water. I'm a slow pitch, slow jig. I'm gonna throw a glow lure. As far as my rod, I'm going with my metal witch, medium. It's more of a bait casting, but it can hold up to about 180 grams of lure. So we'll see how this goes. But again, shout out to Terrence, just really appreciate it, big dog, thanks. I finally got one, and he is a fighter. It's been a minute. Thought we was gonna skunk. Got visual. Okay, it's a big. Very big oxygen. All right. Make sure y'all can get a good view of him. He is a monster, y'all. A very big oxygen. Okay. Yeah, that is an oxygen. Very pretty. Look at me, y'all. Put up a pretty good fight. All right, let's get him off. Again, take a look at this guy. Monster is more like a lyre tail, but he's pretty big. I want to say he's an oxygen. Looks almost like a lyre tail. It's pretty big. Yep, he's going in the pool. Gotta put him in make him bleed out real quick. Got some pretty sharp teeth, so you don't want to stick your fingers in his mouth. All right, we got something else on here. I really do hope I'm recording because he pulled a lot from me. All right. Oh, a big me by grouper, foul hooked. Greasy grouper. Nice. You usually find these when you're hanging around the reefs like I am right now. Let me make sure it's I'm recording. Way to tell. Oh yeah, okay, I'm recording. All right, so greasy grouper, mainly found in reef areas. Let's use the camera work, sorry. In coral reef areas. This one actually was foul hooked, but
Did it get any calmer out there?
hold on, got a nail hitting me up. Yeah, it's not bad out here. So we got something we can take. Another one we can put in the water. Oh, if you don't jump out. Nice try, buddy. All right, let me go ahead and take care of him, and I'll get back to you guys. Got something else on here. It feels pretty small. The wind's picked up a little bit. This is off of my 100-gram glowy. Yeah, he's looks like a. Oh. Yay! Look at that. Kuchinaji, but he's a baby. I'm gonna let him go. They're a little bit bigger than this, and I would have kept them because they are good eating. Come here. There we go. Come on, buddy. I'm trying to. There you go. All right. Winds are picking up a little bit. Nothing too serious, but just keeping a mindful eye on it, making sure that my nose is aimed at the waves that's coming in towards me, but nothing to stop the show. All right, stand by. All right, guys, the winds picked up a bit, the water got a bit choppy, so I'm making my way back to shore. I just wanted to tell you all, I really appreciate you guys taking your time out of your busy schedules and your busy day to watch the video. It's greatly appreciated. Please remember to stay safe and wash your hands and do everything that you're supposed to be doing, and we'll get past this COVID-19 stuff together. Please don't forget to click down below and hit that like, subscribe, or go ahead and leave a comment if you got something you want to say. Again, I love you all. You all greatly appreciate it. Top Breeze out.